Sometimes people on the carnivore diet tell me that they've been on carnivore a while, but they've kind of reached a plateau, particularly with their weight loss. They're no longer losing weight and their energy levels are not what they expected. They're a little bit sluggish and things are just happening more slowly than they hoped. Well, sometimes things just take time, but sometimes you can give your carnivore diet a real boost by incorporating some times of fasting. Let me share with you a little bit of my own story. When I started carnivore, I was slow to lose weight at first, which was frustrating, but I found in time I did lose weight and I lost quite a bit of weight. But I got to a certain point where I was still quite a distance from my target weight and my weight loss stalled. And I didn't know what to do, and I found it quite demoralizing, as you might expect. So what I did at that stage was I decided to try a period of fasting. This was pretty new to me. I had not fasted for quite some time, and I began a little bit cautiously, but I started and I got through the first day quite well. In fact, a lot easier than what I expected to. I was only drinking water and cut out all food completely. And then I got through the second day okay, and I was actually starting to feel quite good. So I did about 4 days of fasting. And during that time, I lost quite a dramatic amount of weight. I think I lost about 5 to 6 kilos of weight during those 4 days, which gave my weight loss a tremendous boost. But also, I just felt so much better in my own being. And I thought then, this really works. It's quite powerful. And since then, I have from time to time incorporated a day or 2 or 3 of fasting into my carnivore diet. I'm at the stage now where I think that adding a period of fasting to your carnivore diet is really going to make you quite unstoppable, and you're going to kind of lift your results on carnivore to the next level, and it's going to be a lot easier than what you're thinking. So what are the benefits of adding a period of fasting? Well, when you start to look at the research and look at the evidence, there are quite a few benefits that you could gain simply by periodically adding a period of fasting. Let me list some of them for you. Number one, it's going to enhance your weight loss. It's going to give it a boost like it did for mine. It's going to give you a lift in your weight loss process. The body is going to, even more than ever, start to tap into stored fat for energy instead of glucose. You're going to burn fat much more easily, and your body is going to start producing what we call ketones. And this condition, referred to as ketosis, is really going to help you with your weight loss. It's going to enhance it considerably. The second value of adding fasting to the carnivore diet is it's going to really improve your insulin sensitivity. It's also going to regulate your sugar levels in your blood. Now, this should be ringing bells for anybody who's concerned about things like diabetes, because these issues are crucial. And you're already doing the right thing, you're eating the right diet on carnivore, but by adding some fasting, you're going to really, again, take this up a level, and it's going to improve your metabolic health simply by adding some fasting. A third reason for adding fasting to the carnivore diet is that it's going to help bring about what they call autophagy. Autophagy is a process in your body when the damaged cells are eliminated and new, fresh, healthy cells are formed in their place. It's kind of a regeneration process, and this can take place when you reach autophagy, and when you fast, you're going to increase this state of autophagy in your body, and it's going to have great benefits. Fourthly, fasting on the carnivore diet is going to take your mental health and your reduction of brain fog and your clarity to a whole new level. Many of you will know, if you've been on carnivore, that your mental clarity improves quite a bit on the carnivore diet. But if you add fasting, it really takes it to another level again. I remember talking to a brain surgeon who told me that whenever he has a major surgery to perform that's going to call upon all his skills and concentration, he always fasts for 24 hours before that surgery. He said, because I am just razor focused My energy is riveted on the job, and I can think more clearly. I'm acting with more precision. I have a greater ability to focus. And that's worth hearing, because when you fast, your mental clarity, which might already have improved on the carnivore diet, is going to go again up that next level. So it's worth thinking about. A fifth reason to include some fasting on the carnivore diet is that it's going to improve your gut health. Because what you're doing when you're fasting is you're giving your whole body a rest. You're giving your digestive system particularly a rest. And that is so healthy on so many levels. And by giving your digestion system a rest, you're also allowing your gut lining to repair itself. So many benefits in your gut when you add some fasting to your carnivore diet. And number 6, fasting is going to make your life simpler, because you're not preparing foods, you're not buying foods, you're not cooking, you're not doing dishes, you're saving money. And it's going to make that period of your life really simple. All you have to do is to have some water on hand to drink when you're thirsty. And so it adds simplicity to your life. So let me talk about some ways that you might incorporate fasting into the carnivore diet, because it's not a one-size-fits-all. There's different ways you can go about this, and some people have kind of a logical progression when they start fasting on carnivore. A first level of fasting you might try is what they call intermittent fasting. And this has all of the benefits that I've just listed, and it makes your life really simple. For myself, when I started carnivore, I very quickly found that I wasn't as hungry as I was before. And after I had 2 meals a day, I found I just wasn't hungry. And so I dropped from 3 meals a day down to 2. And this is still currently my pattern of eating. I eat 1 meal about 9 o'clock in the morning, which is usually egg and bacon, and then I have another meal about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and that's just some meat. And then I'm fasting really for about an 18-hour window, because I'm only eating in a 6-hour window, and that gives the additive benefit of intermittent fasting on carnivore. And it's easy to do because, well, in my experience, I'm just not hungry. In fact, just the last week or so, I've been thinking, I'm really not hungry when I come to that second meal. And if I just boosted that morning meal a bit, I could go down to 1 meal a day. Now, this isn't some, grit and determination and self-discipline. This is just a natural progression of the carnivore diet. Now, my method of intermittent fasting would be what I call 18 hours fasting, 6 hours of eating. But you can play around with those numbers and get a balance that works for you. You see, what you've got to do with all things with carnivore and with your health is not simply mimic and copy everybody else, but you've got to find what works for you and what is getting you the results that you want. And that's what I found was going to work for me. But once you've mastered intermittent fasting, then you're ready to experiment with something a bit more courageous, as it were. And you can start adding maybe a 24-hour fast, 48-hour fast, or a 72-hour fast. I think my first fast, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, was about a 4-day fast, and it had tremendous benefits, and I'm so glad I did that. And now, even now today, 12 months later, I still occasionally incorporate a day or two of fasting in my carnivore diet. So there we are, folks. I've given you at least 6 benefits of incorporating some fasting into your diet. Look, my approach with everything is always, I don't know about this, I'm not an expert, but I'll give it a try. I would encourage you that if you've never included some fasting on your carnivore diet, that you give it a try. Just try it. Start with the intermittent fasting, maybe then add a 24-hour fast and build from there, and just experiment and listen to your body and see what's happening in your body, and you'll soon know what your body wants and doesn't want, and you'll get all of those benefits that we've listed today, the autophagy, the weight loss, the mental clarity, and all those things that I've talked about, you will experience when you add some fasting to your carnivore diet. But look, fasting is just one of several ways that you can boost your carnivore diet to a new level. In my last video, I gave 4 or 5 other methods of boosting your results on carnivore, and if you missed that, I'll leave a link to it above here. But look, thanks for watching today. Please join our Facebook community, the Carnivore Pensioner, and like and subscribe and all of those things. Love to hear from you. Make a comment and tell us if you fast on carnivore and what your experience has been. I would love to hear your comments in the comments, and I will see you on the next video. And until then, hey, keep telling your story.